one. Chandler flying.
Fire, no problem, really. The safety crew is there.
All right, doesn't look like a major.
As the crew now talking inside the cockpit, the helmet is off. He is okay, but obviously he is stunned. He obviously is stunned, and he will go up to gain some points. Championship, it is still door handle, and who won it?
Not Andy Brass. Now,
watch this landing.
Leave on the starting line. Bigfoot's going to catch. Whoa!
But look at the horsepower.
Whoa.
Mac, I don't think that's what he had in mind. I checked it out.
Told Eldon, just go drive your race. Get time in the seat. These trucks.
Gals are somewhat concerned about the obstacles in the shutdown area, so it's a trade-off. They'll take their chances in the right lane with that hill that drops off to the right.
He jumped out, but no! The Ford caught him.
here's the first pair. It will be.
This run was pivotal because what it did.
A sloppy track would push his way past Carolina.
The other big question is, when are we going to see the brand new 1989 Bigfoot truck? What about that?
Well, that's a good question.
Bigfoot. Go!
Home on it now. They're going all out. Bigfoot beating.
Patrick get down that left lane, but not quick enough.
Well, it's all Bigfoot, but a rough land.
They kind of cocked themselves, see? Landy Brass is trying to steer straight with the front wheels, but the back of the truck has got a mind all its own. They put it back together.
Next to me, he says, well, let's get some cars out, and I know a place we can put them, and let's try it.
I can't tell who won it. Bigfoot's in trouble. Into the wall.
After winning 8 straight events, he has lost in the last 2 semifinal rounds. Oh my, the champion somewhat depressed right now as it's
Bouncing a whole lot, hits the second set of cars.
Yeah, Brass has him all the way, takes the victory. He'll go. Congratulations to Andy Brass. Oh, he gets the bucket of ice water this week.
Boy.
Camp out of the left lane. The blind takes now the right lane side by side. They take off. Richard, the closest race of the night. I can't.
So it works out pretty well for us.
The aftermath of the wreck involving Dan Runte and Bigfoot, one of cosmetic damage to that truck.
Yeah, the roll cage kept its integrity. The driver stayed.
Top 10. Well, I'm not sure that's the way I'd want to celebrate in victory lane. That may become a new tradition in monster truck racing. Our congratulations.